Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying the expression 3x squared plus 6x divided by 3x. Let's dive right in and simplify this expression together. To begin simplifying the rational expression, we observe the given expression 3x squared plus 6x divided by 3x. First, we factor out the greatest common factor from the numerator. The terms in the numerator, 3x squared and 6x, both share a common factor of 3x. So, factor out 3x from the numerator. This gives us 3x times the quantity, x plus 2. So now the expression reads 3x times x plus 2 divided by 3x. Next, we'll cancel common factors from the numerator and the denominator. Both the numerator and denominator have 3x as a common factor, so they cancel each other out. This leaves us with x plus 2. Therefore, the rational expression 3x squared plus 6x divided by 3x simplifies to x plus 2. After factoring out the greatest common factor and simplifying, we are left with the expression 3x times x plus 2 divided by 3x. In this step, we focus on canceling the common factors from the numerator and the denominator. Both the numerator and the denominator include the term 3x, which means they can cancel each other out. Therefore, after canceling the common factors, we are left with the simplified expression x plus 2. This is the final step in reducing the rational expression to its lowest terms. The rational expression 3x squared plus 6x divided by 3x simplifies to x plus 2.